guys, this is the hard drive I was already having. I salvaged it from my old laptop. So if you are having an old hard drive, you can reuse it and give it a cool new look. So I'm going to show you how you can do that even if you don't have any old hard drive. And if you want a cool looking portable hard drive, you can still purchase a 2.5 inch form factor hard drive, and you can use that hard drive to make an awesome looking portable hard drive. So let's get started. So this is the hard drive enclosure or the hard drive conversion kit, and this is for 2.5 inch form factor hard drives, and of course it supports USB 3 up to 5 Gbps speeds. You do not need a screwdriver or any other kind of tools to install your hard drive inside this enclosure. The brand is called Orico or something like that. It is not a well-known brand of course, but the reviews were kind of good for this product, so I opted for this one. There were many other similar products available, but the reviews were good for this one. Well, I had already unboxed it, but I'm doing it again for you guys. So let's get started. This is the user manual, which we do not like to read. It comes with this USB 3 cable. So keeping this aside, let's take a look at the main component, which is the enclosure itself. So this is the hard drive enclosure, and as you can see, this is fully transparent, which will give you an awesome looking portable hard drive. So this is all the electronics that you can see, and the capacitors are solid. So the electronics is of good quality, that I can say. And this is the USB port. This is a look from the opposite side. Now it's time to install the hard drive into this enclosure. So the installation is very simple. You just need to align the power and the SATA port with the power and the SATA port of the enclosure, as you can see. So it goes in like this, and you just need to slide it in. That's it. The installation is done. Now it's time to put the cover on top of the enclosure to seal it. You just need to slide it on top of the enclosure and slide it all the way. And it locks into place, and that's it. You are done. Isn't it awesome? Isn't it cool? You can see all the electronics inside, and especially I like this side more because it has the most electronics. It is made of acrylic, which is basically transparent plastic, and the build quality seems good. It also fits in an usual hard drive cover. So a cover like this, which you might already have, or if you are planning to buy one, so this thing should be compatible with almost all the usual 2.5 inch hard drive covers. So it is a tight fit, and the cable can go into this pocket, and it is a hard shell cover for your hard drive. And by the way, if you like this cover, I will put a link in the video description from where you will be able to buy this cover. Anyways, I will also put a link for this case or the enclosure in the video description. So if you wanna purchase this, check the video description for the link. And I got it for 648 rupees, which is almost $9 US. I would also like to show you a demo of connecting this hard drive into my laptop, so you can get the overall idea how it looks when it is connected. So this is the supplied cable. Let's connect it, and I will also show you a speed test. There is a blue LED, which is a power indicator, and there is a red LED that indicates the data transmissions. So I have formatted the hard drive in NTFS. So let me copy this test 1 GB file into this hard drive which is opened over there. So let me Ctrl+C copy and then paste it here. And the average speed is almost over 90 Mbps, almost close to 100 Mbps. Well, it was almost 92 Mbps at last, and that is the average speed. Now let's copy another file that is almost 357 megabytes, and then again it performed very well. The speed was over 100 Mbps. So this enclosure does not degrade the performance of this hard drive. It is a 7200 RPM hard drive, so the speeds are going to be a little bit better than the usual 2.5-inch ones. So keep that in mind. So it gets a big thumbs up from me. As I have already mentioned, if you are interested, I will put a link in the video description. If you want to purchase this, you can go ahead. If you like the video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button. It means a lot. If you have any queries or suggestions, just post them in the comment section below. And most importantly, stay connected. Hit the red subscribe button down there or the round channel icon over there to subscribe to take it easy. It's free. Also hit the bell icon to keep yourself notified for the future videos. And guys, if you like the video and if you like my work, please go ahead and share the video. So thank you guys, have a great time, bye, and I will see you in the next video.